Arieta na tayo. Okay.
Ayan si Sir Gian, no? Mag-host yata ulit.
Meron tayong pabanda mamaya. May pa-concert tayo mamaya. Ang saya, diba? I believe you're also manifesting a silver one, right? Getting two. Wow, Taray!
Sige nga, sabihin natin sabay-sabay. Isang team tayo. 3, 2, 1. Isang team tayo!
Right! Lots of new things about the new iPhone. Very, very important features, especially for those people who will be getting their new phones tonight.
Yes.
Late tayo.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, nasa loob na tayo. It's a show. Anyway, yun. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits sa unboxing and sa review. And hopefully, mailabas ko sila lahat before end of year. Okay, ta-kits!